Welcome back, guys. Today's video is gonna be about finally we got the MagicDrift chain spoiler after 2 weeks of waiting, which I didn't buy it in 2 weeks. They didn't have it in stock, which I sent them an email and I tell them that I was trying to do this video and that I needed it, one of them chain spoilers, which they told me that they ran out of stock and it was gonna take them like around 2 to 3 weeks for them to make at least the first 10. And of course they put me down on the list and I got one of the first one, and I got it, guys. I'm still deciding on the LED lights and HID lights. I think I'm gonna do them tomorrow because I don't have them with me, and I'm gonna do a separate video. I don't know if you guys wants to see the installation, the before and after, and how can you install them, because as you guys know, I have a Cobra bumper and a 304 Cobra bumper, and I don't have the factory switch that these cars come with, so I'm gonna wire them into my turn signals and running lights. So for today's video is gonna be choose the MagicDrift chain spoiler. I'm in the car right now, as you guys can see, because I was trying to record the intro outside, and it's freaking hot. I live in Texas and the weather right now is above 100. So I jump in the car and turn it on. I turn on the AC. I already have the car in ramps, so I'm gonna be able to work on the bottom of the car, and it's raised up right now because my car's kind of low, and I'm gonna make it even lower later. I'm gonna put I don't know if I'm gonna do e-batch springs or coilovers, but let's do this, guys. Today is the day. And as you guys can see, here is MagicDrift, and I already have the car, like I said, on ramps, so it's ready. I have the heat gun because the videos that I saw, they told you that you need a heat gun, because on the Cobra bumpers you have to hit the corners, like to fold it in, to tuck it into the bumper. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna open this box and show you how it looks. So far, this is how it looks exactly from where I remember. They also send you a plate holder and a 10% discount on your next purchase, which I'm gonna use this because I'm also wanna do the side splitters, and they are like around 130, 140. So I have a 10%. Good, thank you. And I'm ready. I'm gonna start heating up these corners, like I said, and after that, because if you drill through it, there's no way you can send it back to MagicDrift. It says do not drill, make sure it fits first and then drill through it. Believe it or not, I bought this same chain spoiler for one of my Mustangs back in 2008 for another Mustang, and this exactly chain spoiler was $59. Right now I bought it, it was $96. So thanks, Cubby. Damn, guys, I'm looking at it right now that I'm done, and it looks so good and so aggressive. Damn, just take a look at this. You guys ready? If you would like to purchase this chin spoiler, I'm gonna give you a 10% off. So go to www.magicdrift.com, and this is the 10% code, and this is the code magic10 for a 10% off. And yeah, let me know what you think, guys. I think it looks really good. And stay tuned for the next video, because the next video is going to be headlights, HIDs, and fog lights, HIDs or LEDs. I'm still haven't decided yet, but they're gonna be in the next video. And also, please let me know which color calipers do you want to see. Personally, I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. I think yellow, like the bright yellow, will look good, because of my car is fire red, and I think it will look good with yellow. Because, you know, I was gonna do a lime green or Miami blue or torch red, but I think to have the little offset of the color, I think I'm gonna go with yellow. But please let me know down in the comments, what will you think it will look good for these calipers. And like I say, if you guys like how this chin spoiler looks, and if you want it for your car, for you 2000 all the way to 2004 Ford Mustang, 0304 Cobra, or Mac 1, it will fit all kinds of cars. You just need a heat gun, and that's it. And for the people that's gonna ask me, yes, you do need a second hands to make it easier. I use tape, painter's tape, to hold it from one side, and I put like a little screw, and then I use painter's tape in the other side and put one screw, and then from there I work my way around with screws. And this kit comes with the screws, so you don't have to purchase the screws separately. But the ramps did help me a lot, and I use the cardboard and the floor so I can lay down with my screw gun and put the screws up. If you don't have no help like I did, it's easier for you to take out the bumper. I just didn't want it to take out the bumper, so what I did, I just raised up the car with these ramps. I just drive it up, and as you can see right there, it's like almost 16 inches of clearance, which I fit perfectly on that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And like always, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We already have more subscribers. I think we're at 150, something like that. Please help your brother out. More Mustang videos are coming. We still have a bunch of things to do for this car. It's looking good. It's really hot outside. I live in Texas, and I'm still making these videos for you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. That helps a lot. Thank you.